4 things a wife loves in her husband. I think there's more. If you can do them, mashallah, you'll have a beautiful life, enjoyable one with your spouse in every way, inshallah. Number 1, she loves when he defends her, protects her and supports her. Even if she doesn't admit it, she likes it. He listens to her, he listens to her emotions, he listens to her words, he listens to her, and he's patient with listening. When you're listening to your wife, throw in another word whenever you get a break to show her that you have been listening. Number 3, to give her tender physical touches. Yeah, and he like this, little hug. Number 4, he compliments her and shows her interest. The newness goes away after 6 months, 1 year. You guys are going to get a little bit bored of that. No, you've got to keep going, inshallah. Renew it. Try other ways. Number 5, makes her feel secure and safe that he will not leave her and look for another woman. This is the biggest fear women have, Muslim and non-Muslim, that their husband's going to betray them. And I think that's the reason, which is wrong, why some women, they say to each other, hey, don't show him that you love him too much, because he'll leave you. These men, they'll look other way, but keep them on edge. This is wrong, brothers and sisters. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us protected from whispers and to keep us guided and safeguard us all. Ameen.